everybody, we are heading to the field right now. We are doing some corn picking, and it's dry enough to go to the elevator, that is, anyways, for now. We did some last night, or yesterday afternoon. We got started on it. It started out too wet. Now it's good to go. I think I'm gonna be stuck in the truck today, which kind of sucks. So that's a new bridge they put in. It took them like 3 years to put it in. They finally got it in. And then they painted it orange. I haven't quite figured that one out, but I guess that way you know there's a bridge there and don't fall off. Plenty of room. So we about got this field whipped up. A couple more rounds here, and then a few rounds here. I would say 4-ish more trucks or so. And then we'll be done here. We're gonna go across the road and pick that field. Oh, Craig, what'd you do? You a couple missed rows. Yeah, I'll blame Craig. Sounds like a good idea. We need one of those big avalanche grain carts, you know, with the big augers. It's got an 18-inch auger on it, but it just doesn't seem very big anymore. It used to be huge. It's crazy. So, Brent, if you want to send a grain cart. Don't forget, guys, if you're enjoying this video at all, or you like these videos at all, be sure and hit the thumbs up button. It really helps the channel out. It helps YouTube understand that people like these videos, and it shares it to other creators, and I like to know if you guys like the videos or not. Don't want Dad to catch me. Oh no. See, this is why I don't run. Because then I lose my pliers. And that's not... Aww. They gotta be right here. That, my friends, is why I don't run. And I'm out of shape. It's kind of slow right now with harvest, but it's picking up. This week has been really slow. We have not had a lot to pick because we are still waiting for stuff to dry down. And so far this is dry. I'm thinking we have some more fields that will be dry too.
Yeah, I made a mistake about jalapeno peppers. I thought there was cheese balls over there. Yeah. Look how close it is.
Pretty close.
Think we could lift this up? Still, that's got to go that way a little bit. Or lift this up and pull it that way?
I'd say lift this up a little bit.
And then with the pry bar, maybe we can pry it.
And then maybe we can try it.
This motor will start. It's a good question.
Oh, which way is the pole supposed to be? I'll get the hammer. Ready?
Yeah. Turn it. I have to turn it a little bit. morning we had to fix the disc. That's what me and Dad were working on there. The other day he went to raise it up after doing the ends, and he noticed the one wing wouldn't come off the ground. Well, that big pin that was there came out, and so we were putting that back in this morning as we had time, because the elevators are shut down because today is Sunday. It is now 4:15, and I got the last bit for my truck, and I would say we're down to about 20-30 acres. I thought maybe we were going to get done with this field tonight, but that is not looking good. We only got about an hour and a half until the elevators close and the lines are picking up, so I don't think we're going to be able to get her done. Yesterday, earlier in the video, I was telling you that corn's still kind of slow. Well, we found out that our monitor in our combine is reading higher moisture than what it actually is, which now pretty much means that it's go time, because that field across the road was dry that we picked yesterday, and this field here is dry enough to where we're happy with it. And then we're gonna go down the road, and we're pretty sure the next field's gonna be dry, and from here on out I think everything's just gonna be dry and ready to go. This week I have one more patch of grass, second cutting grass to put down, and I'm waiting to do that till about Monday, hopefully Monday, but possibly Tuesday. Get that mowed off, which I'll have to stop during harvest and do that, but you gotta do what you gotta do when you have a couple businesses. Well guys, that is a wrap for this video. I will see you on the next video, and hopefully it's not just trucking. So trucking's kind of boring, like really boring, and there's not a lot of content you can do about it because it's boring. So apologize for that, but hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next.